So we left Holbox after 7 beautiful nights on the beach and are now arriving in Puerto Morelos. Puerto Morelos is located about 36 kilometers south of Cancun International Airport and is a guarantee if you're looking for a laid-back beach and a town with some modern amenities. It has some of the best beaches in the area, which is probably why it claims to be the jewel of the Caribbean. Puerto Morelos provides many restaurants and coffee shops, as well as a fully stocked supermarket that easily rivals and perhaps surpasses any Whole Foods in the States. Perfecto.
My friend.
Arrived safe and sound.
Okay.
Here we are. Here goes our friend Edgar. He took us from Holbox to Puerto Morelos.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you next time.
We are.
7 nights.
Alright.
Hola, amigo.
Hola, how are you?
Very good.
Good. Can I check you guys' temperature?
Sure.
You can.
Alright.
Thank you for keeping everybody safe.
¿Cómo se llama?
Jaime.
Jaime.
Hyman or Jaime?
Jaime.
Hyman.
Jaime, Jimmy, James. Yeah, 36.
James.
Oh, yeah.
Like Jamie.
Yeah. Jaime.
Jaime with a
Okay.
J.
Okay.
So it's like Jane.
Yeah.
Jamie.
Are you from Holbox?
Yes.
How was it over there?
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Very nice.
36, alright. Good.
We're safe?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
You guys are welcome to stay. You have your Jenny, you have your passport?
My husband has it.
Yes.
Yeah, can I please?
We're here. Okay, I have to put this down and get some identification out. Temperature check was good. Okay, so they got a little pool here. Nice little pool. Jeannie's in there sourcing our room, so let's go back and see how she's making out.
No, you're ready to sign it.
Oh, I did? This is my copy?
Yeah, this is your copy, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Hyman, you have laundry facility here?
Laundry facility? No, but I can get you one number, phone number, and they pick it up and they bring it back when
Do
it's
they
done.
have one that we can do ourselves in the town with like coins?
I think so, but it's not it's in the other side. Here.
Like we can take taxi?
Yeah, this is the laundry room.
Okay.
All right, thank you guys home. Everything.
You can film afterwards.
Huh?
I said you can film afterwards.
Hola!
Hola.
All right. Let me collapse this thing, pick it up.
Yeah.
That is our home for this week.
Yeah.
We don't have a house.
Oh, now you do in Mexico.
That's right.
Come on in.
Okay. Oh, I can already tell you.
Yeah.
I think my wife is gonna like this.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they will. I'm sure she will too. Okay, let me give you a quick tour here.
Okay, hang on a second. Let me drop this knapsack down.
Yeah. This is your Wi-Fi password.
Okay.
Scan it or write it down in password.
Right.
This with the latch up goes to the beach right here. You got to the beach from here.
Oh, so you can go down the stairs.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
He's going to give us the best part of the tour right now.
It's a private beach area right there. The palapa, there's a grill in there. If you want to make carnitas, a steak, a T-bone, go right ahead.
Private beach right here, huh?
You can cook here.
Oh.
You can cook in here for sure.
We have a kitchen.
You have a kitchen, yeah.
Very nice, nice.
Okay. And you got the screens in here for no mosquitoes, no weird company.
Okay. No bugs.
No bugs.
Little full kitchen.
Yeah.
Dining room.
Yeah. Here's your home key.
Okay.
El baño y cocina.
And then we have air
Cocina.
Right, yeah.
El baño. Perfect.
That's the only thing we'll need it for is for the nighttime.
Yeah. Lights and everything.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfecto.
And TV remotes. One is for the TV on and off.
Perfect.
TV and flipping channels.
Okay. We like flipping channels.
Blue is on for the cable box.
Okay.
And TV on and off.
Got it.
Alright,
Perfect.
guys.
It's very nice, and we have a coffee maker.
I'm sure you do, eh?
And this water is
Purified
drinkable.
water, purified water.
Purified water.
Drink and cook. Coffee.
Coffee, we can use that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Perfecto.
Oh, let me get you your towels.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I had to put a deposit on the towels,
Okay.
400 pesos. And we'll get the deposit back when we return the towels.
Okay. Do you like it?
I do like it. Very nice. You have a beautiful view, right?
It's an absolutely stunning view.
With coconut trees.
Look at this water compared to Holbox. How you like that for color? With our own little stairwell. Well, we have a shared.
To the beach.
Own little stairwell down. Okay.
And you can lock the door on the way out.
Right. Very, very nice.
I did good?
I think you did. Are you happy?
Yeah, well, there wasn't that many choices on the beach.
I think you did some very good research and found a very nice place for 1 week.
Good.
Okay.
And it's very quiet.
Yes, and private. And he said we can use this grill to make anything we want.
There you go, guys. Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay, we're off. We just got here and we have a week's worth of laundry that needs to be done because we're pretty much out. We had to start buying stuff. We had to start buying t-shirts and stuff because we were so out. So our man Jaime down there at reception said that we go 2 blocks that way, which I don't understand how you can do that if it's a T-bone right there. And to the left is downtown. He said 10-minute walk to the laundromat and to the supermarket. So we're gonna give it a shot and see what happens.
So.
Okay, so we found our laundromat and we got about 25 minutes while it's washing. And then we're gonna throw it in the dryer and bring our stuff home because we were in a bind. We didn't have that much laundry left. Anyway, there's the laundromat. Lava Plus. And John Gray was kind enough to let us sit here until it's done because they don't open till 6. By the way, we found a really awesome supermarket. We gotta bring you through it. Right, Jeannie? We got a friend right there. Guess these things are everywhere. Iguana.
They're pretty big.
Yeah, it's about 2 feet long.
Look how he's eating, his tongue comes out. Like he's eating the leaf now. Wow. He just chomped that right up.
We sure did. Our bikes are here. So I'm gonna go downstairs and check them out. We're renting bikes for the whole week. $8 a day. So 2 bikes, 16 bucks. Let's go see what they got. Hola. ¿Cómo está?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, bien.
San José y Cabo.
¿Cómo se llama?
Fernando.
Fernando. Juan.
Juan.
You're going to be on YouTube.
1 or 2?
Juan? Juan?
Juan.
Juanita.
Juanita. Okay.
Sí,
John?
me llamo Juanita.
Jeannie.
Mucho gusto.
Okay. Florida.
Florida.
Nice
How
bikes.
can I use this t-shirt then?
I don't care. I don't like college football.
That's the man's bike.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
That looks good. And you have the locks.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me show you. If you
Yes.
can help me, or maybe Juanita can help me fill this out.
I film. Juanita fills it out.
Okay. I might need to adjust it.
Juanita, this is Fernando.
Hi, Fernando. Mucho gusto.
There you go.
The lock,
See,
2810
2810.
on the green side. Don't
Okay.
try to do it on the other side, can get stuck.
Okay.
And then we won't be able to open it. You gotta cut it. There's the lights. Be better if you take them upstairs at night.
And charge them?
You just no. It's got,
Oh,
it's
so they
got
don't get
batteries.
stolen?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
You just push it here.
Yeah.
Pull them out.
Gotcha. Just like the GoPro.
Yeah. And then you push it back in.
Same.
Okay. And then they got the lights on the back here.
Okay.
They got the. You see, it's got a bunch of different ones.
this.
And that's it, and then I sign
Yes, please.
right here.
So to go forward, you just pedal that way, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Go back.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need a 10-speed bike here.
No, it's all flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Fernando.
Sign
You're
here.
welcome.
Okay, I followed Fernando over to his house to get a little bit more air on this bicycle. I didn't think it had enough air inside the tires because it felt a little soft and a little hard to pedal. So we're going to put a little bit more air. This is his little deal here. Actually, I'm sorry. This is his wife's deal. They rent bikes out here in Puerto Morelos. And they got about 40 bikes right now, and it's a good business.
Well, some of them are out.
Yeah, well, obviously some of them are rented right now, but it's a good business. Don't try and get into it; it's too late. He's got a lock on this business.
If you should have it on 20, 25.
Yeah,
We usually put it on 40.
yeah.
What truly characterizes this place, in our opinion, is it's a place of utter tranquility, a place where foreigners and local people alike share a welcoming warmth and friendship.